everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's a long while since I haven't uploaded a video, but yeah, here is a makeup tutorial for you guys, and I have two lip options in this video, so please continue watching. And also please forgive me for not being regular, and I'm sorry that some clip of this video is missing. But without any further ado, let's start. Starting off with my primer, I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. Gonna conceal my dark circles with this eyebrow concealer. Actually, sometimes I need this concealer so badly, so the way you can find out in this video, you can find me, the real me, this one. Oh, I just hate this pic of mine. Fixing my concealer with a compact powder. I'm gonna list everything in description, so make sure to check that out for the product description. And then to fix my base, I'm gonna add foundation. For this, I'm using Absolute Foundation, and with my brush, I'm gonna spill it all over my face. And with this damp sponge, I'm going to push it further in my skin. And yeah guys, take your time while building your base, and it is the only necessary thing that you have to do. So push the foundation in your skin with a damp sponge brush so nicely. Further, I'm gonna add a little concealer to hide my dark circles, and yeah, going to blend it out. And I'll add an age divine concealer also to give more depth, structure and definition to my face, and also to highlight my face. So yeah, just going to add this and blend it out nicely. Face, I'm gonna use here Bharat Dorris loose powder. I'm going to place that using my cosmetic sponge all over areas where I have applied the concealer, and going to dust it off after 2 to 3 minutes. Filling in my brows with the Inisfree brow pen, and yeah, I'm gonna link it down below. I don't remember the actual name of it. Yeah, filling in my brows and adding mascara so that it does not move here and there. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Nicka K eyeshadow palette and picking that mauve pink color for my transition, and just going to build it out on my outer corners and on my crease line, deepening up the color with the same color. And yeah, doing the same, adding more purplish maroon color. And yeah, I'm sorry guys, that's all here. I lost my footage, but please check out the description. And here we have two lip options. This is the lipstick that I'm wearing, is this MAC Spirit, and then after this lipstick is Coloressence. I'm gonna link it in description. Please make sure you check that out. I hope this video is somehow beneficial, but I'm extremely sorry as I lost the footage here. But please let me know what do you think. And yeah, these lashes are from Pack. I absolutely love these lashes. For the first time I wore these, and I kind of love it. So yeah, that was it. If you enjoyed, make sure you subscribe, like, comment and follow me on my Instagram. Yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.